All right, check out this ukulele from PopuLele. This thing is like carbon fiber and it sounds great. Plus, it has the added benefit of lighting up on the frets. So you can have some cool lights, you can customize that. I love this like hole that it has, the sound hole. It's just very different from any other ukuleles that you've seen. The headstock is really nice as well. I have had wooden ukuleles in the past and they warp and all that stuff and the strings get all like messed up because of the warping, and this is gonna last. I can just tell because that carbon fiber, and I've had carbon fiber guitars and they last a long time too. The neck feels great as well. Strings easy to push down, frets are great. And you have a little power button back here to turn the lights on, or basically turn on Bluetooth to connect it to your smartphone for the app. Before we get to the app, let's have a look at some of these other accessories. So they give you a nice carry bag so you can put your ukulele in here and wear it like a backpack. Inside of that, you have a little zipper pocket where you can store your picks and your strap and other things if you need to. And it does come with this really cool looking strap. Check this thing out. It also comes with this really nice stand. It's like a kind of wooden looking stand, so it sits and you can set your ukulele on it, and it looks great. To have the Bluetooth and all of that stuff does take 2 AAA batteries, and it does not come with those batteries, but you just pop those in there right in the back easily. Connect it to the app, and with the app you can do so much with that. For one, you can get all the chords, you can get lessons. It has a tuner in it. You can customize the lights on here, so you can maybe even write your name or write someone's name or your band name or something like that. It's really fun to play with. There's a lot more that you can discover on the app, and we'll get into that in a future video, but for now I just want to highlight the quality of this thing and just how it sounds. I was scared of dentists in the dark. So if you are learning or you know someone that is learning, this would make a great gift because not only are they getting a fantastic ukulele with all of the accessories, but also the app so that they can learn and then they can do concerts for you. And as a musician that has played several ukuleles for a long time, I can say that this is really good. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.